All right, well, one of the nice things about this Ryobi power washer is that it has a little attachment. So if you're not near a hose, you can take a little 2-liter water bottle, fill it up with water, and then use it as your water source. So somebody asked to see if you could actually use this as a foam cannon. And I don't think that's going to work, but we're going to go ahead and give it a try. So let me go mix up some soap. You can see this car is pretty dirty right now. So we're going to see if we can get it to foam up using this 2-liter bottle, and then maybe I'll just do one side like this, and then I've got a little mini foam cannon from Amazon, and I'll foam the other side so we can kind of compare them side by side. Okay, so I've got a little bit of soap in there. I actually think that's probably too much. You know, in a foam cannon, that's how much I'd put in. That's not real scientific, but I'm trying to figure out how much water would equate what goes in a normal foam cannon. That's why I like that new one, those new foam cannons now. Actually, you don't have to pre-dilute it. You just put the soap in, it'll self meter. So actually probably going to get one of those next. But anyway, let's get on with the experiment and see how this works. Okay, and there it is. Added up the water, and not scientific. What I do with the foam cannon is the same thing. I add water until the suds hit the top. And that seems to a good measurement of dilution. So let's go ahead and hook it up to the Ryobi EZ Clean and see what kind of foam it generates. Okay, here we are. It's all hooked up. I've got a 15-degree nozzle on it, and it's set on max power, high power. I think it's set up on max high power. Let's make sure. And well, it's doing better than I thought it would. Oh, but it eats through that water quick. Okay, well, it eats through that water real quick, as you can see. Did better than I thought it was going to do. So it's getting the soap on there, but it's not super foamy. So that was just one half. Let me attach the foam cannon to the top, get a hose connected, and let's see how it compares. Okay, so now I've got it set up. Here's my regular foam cannon. Put in the solution, diluted it, got it hooked up to my hose. All right, let's see how the foam comes out of this one. Yeah, that's a lot different. See, that foams up. Yeah, you can see the much thicker foam coming out compared to what it was out of the 2-liter bottle. And this isn't the best foaming cannon on the market either. So I think in a pinch, you could probably use the 2-liter bottle to distribute some foam. But again, it goes very quickly. And see, none of the studs really stay on the car. So I mean, you could use it, but probably not the best use of it. And this foam cannon doesn't work that well. I think you get a lot better foam when it comes out of the electric pressure washer. It probably just is not flowing enough water. You know, it'll work. All right, so there you have it. That's a comparison between using the 2-liter bottle as a foam cannon and just a cheapy Amazon-style foam cannon. So theoretically, can you use a 2-liter bottle as a foam cannon? Yes, it'll distribute the detergent on the car. Would I recommend it? Probably not. Anyway, thanks for sending in that video suggestion, and we'll see you on the next one.
If you're enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and to the newsletter using the links below. We'll share more tool buying tips, classic car and classic motorcycle project finds, some motorsport news, and maybe a wrenching tip or two.